Our submission for the 2026 Drone Legends Contest is DART, the Drone for Accident Removal and Transport, next generation solution for accident cleanup and rapid road clearance. DART's mission is to minimize traffic disruption and enhance safety by arriving at accident scenes as a second responder. After police and first responders secure the area, DART moves in to clear wreckage, remove vehicles, and restore traffic flow efficiently. Some of DART's key features include a magnetized claw for efficiently picking up and preventing wreckage from slipping out of its grasp. DART's advanced camera allows DART to see all of the wreckage for efficient cleanup. DART's 4 propellers and 2 giant wings allow for DARTs to move efficiently. The 2 wings are a backup system if the propellers were to ever fail. On the very back of DART are 3 gigantic engines in case the propellers were to ever fail. On the underside of DART are the bay doors where the claw resides. The bay doors would open and the claw would reach down to collect all the scrap. DART is powered by a perpetual motion machine for a near infinite flight time. But if the perpetual motion machine were to break, then there's a hydrogen battery as a backup. We hope you like it. And thank you for your time.